I am going to start new lesson which is a poem titled Past, Present, Future. This poem is written by Emily Bronte. She was from United Kingdom. She has written many poems. In this poem, she describes the feeling of a child as to what he thinks about the time. Let us recite the poem. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. Thee means you. In Old English, we use this word for you. Now, an autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. When the poet asked about the past, the happy child said, the time is like an autumn evening, where the leaves fall from the tree but never go back again on that tree. Like that, if time has passed, we can't go back in that time. So the child is unhappy with past. Now you have to find the figure of speech. What is figure of speech? We use figure of speech in the poem to make the sentences more beautiful. Here in this stanza, there are two figure of speech. See the first line. The words tell me are repeating. When the word or group of words is repeated in the same line, this is called repetition figure of speech. Now see the third and fourth line. There is comparison of past with an autumn evening. In this comparison, child is saying that both are same. When we compare two things and we say they are similar, then this type of comparison is called metaphor. Now you have to find rhyme scheme. For this, you have to see the last word of each sentence, and then you have to find rhyming sound of that word, and you have to mark the line with alphabet. In the first line, the last word is child. Is there any match of this sound? See in the third line, the last word is mild. So, first and third line will be A because they are rhyming sound. Then after, in the second line, the last word is D. Is there any match? In the last line, the last word is mournfully. There is no matching sound. So the second line will be B and last line will be C. Here our rhyming scheme is A, B, A, C. Now in the second stanza, tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young birds sit gathering its power to mount and fly away. In this stanza, the poet asked about the present to the child. The child is comparing the present time with springtime. The child is saying, in this time, everywhere there is new flowers and young birds learn to fly. According to the child, this time is full of positivity. We can learn new things and prepare ourselves for the future. Okay? Now, what is figure of speech? Here, the child is comparing the present time with springtime and saying they are same. So, figure of speech is again metaphor. And rhyme scheme, see the last word of first line is hour. The match of it is power in the second line. So first and third line will be A and the second is B and fourth line is C. So the rhyme scheme is AB, AC. Now the third stanza. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Here, the poet is asking about the future to the child. The child is saying that the future is like a vast sea that has stretched far and wide under the bright sun. We cannot see the end of the sea. Like that, our future is full of excitement and mystery. We should enjoy this time according to the child. Here, the figure of speech is metaphor. Again, metaphor. Okay? Because the child is comparing the future time with a vast sea. The rhyme scheme you have to find yourself. In two stanza I have told. Third one is for you to find. Okay?